Want to make your jewelry making hobby into a business? I'm Patti. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Studio. Here are 6 simple steps to help you get started. And spoiler, there's a 7th bonus step, so make sure and watch till the end.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Step 1, create your customer profile. Know who your target audience is. For example, career-focused women in their 40s or fashion-forward men in their 20s. And then use that customer profile to research trends so you know your niche in the marketplace. Step 2, analyze your potential profit. Balance your available income with things like paying to build your inventory or for show fees. Keeping it realistic helps you stay afloat. And check out our jewelry pricing video. The link to that is in the description of this video below. Step 3, create your brand name and logo. Make sure it's easily recognizable and reflects your story and aesthetic. Also remember to keep it very simple so it is recognized on a very small jewelry card. Step 4, choose and purchase your packaging and set up your shipping process. Wondering how you're going to print the labels? Maybe start by hand printing your labels. It gives a really nice personal touch. Step 5, set up your social media accounts. Use your business name and start posting pictures of your work and content. We suggest you start with one social media platform. A good choice is Instagram. Step 6, sell at a few shows and farmers markets. Sell at a few shows and farmers markets. That will give you some real-life practical experience to get comfortable selling your work. And our 7th bonus tip, make sure and keep good track of your sales and set up simple sales tax records. That way, when it comes to file your state and federal income tax, you are prepared. Do you have some tips too? We would love to hear from you. Make sure and put those in the comments below. I really hope you've enjoyed this video on how to turn your jewelry making hobby into a business. We'll see you next time.